Good afternoon. I'm Brent Wilsey. With me is Chase Wilsey. We're from Wilsey Asset Management. And welcome to today's Smart Investing Daily Briefing. Well, some majorly big news came out in the oil market today. OPEC, and they've been talking about this for a long time, they finally made an agreement to cut production. They cut production to 32.5 million barrels per day from 33.24 million barrels per day. So that's a cut that they're starting that trend. And what you and I talked about earlier is Russia not going to follow suit? Because that could happen too, which is less oil in the world. The other big surprise today was inventories fell 1.9 million barrels when they expected an increase or a build in inventories of 3.3 million barrels build. And that brought the inventory down to 503 million barrels. So we're seeing the inventories decline and production cutting. So there, we know we got a trend starting here.
Yeah, and reason being, I mean, you've been hearing it. There's countries, in the Middle East, they're so reliant on oil. Saudi Arabia is hurting right now. They can't afford their government officials' salaries or anything because they're not having any revenue from oil. So can't say I'm surprised that this happened. If oil doesn't turn around and keep going up, they could continue to cut. So definitely keep your eye on the oil market. One thing that this does mean for consumers, though, is higher price at the pump. I'm not telling you oil's going to jump, gasoline's going to jump to $5 tomorrow, but you may see a slight increase over the coming months. Also, oil drillers had a huge day in the market today. Many were up 8 to 10%. We even had one in our portfolios that was up 12% today. Yes. So we keep saying you got to have some energy in the portfolio to create a nice diversified portfolio.
Yeah, nothing stays down forever, and I think we're starting to see the change in oil now. We actually said earlier in the year that towards the end of the year we'll see things change, and we're starting to see that. Here it is, only September, October. All right, let's talk about a company today, which is Chevron. We thought we showed an oil company. Now, this is not a driller. It's actually an oil company. They do drilling, but they also do refining. They sell gas and so forth. You can see the current price is 102.11. The high for the year is 107.58. The low is 75.33. You see a big spike back here. We really liked it down here. Now about 102.11. Let's see if now it's a buy or not. Chevron. Sales down 31.5%, no surprise there, and earnings down 106.2%. Again, no surprise there because we know what's going on in the oil market here. But the balance sheet looks pretty good. You got a current ratio of 1.3, debt to equity only 30.6, and price to tangible book very strong, 1.3. So a very strong company that's handling the downturn in oil, which could be coming out.
And one nice thing that is great about this company is they pay a nice dividend, about 4.3%. So while you're waiting for the stock to increase in the long term, you get a nice dividend, again, while you wait. Going forward, though, December 2017, estimated earnings per share on a GAAP basis, $4.71. Target sell price, $77.72. You might be saying, Chase, that's well below the $102. Well, look at this. Estimates from those analysts, the high is $9.80, and the low is from probably people like Goldman Sachs saying the oil's going down to $20 a barrel, $1.35. So what that does is it has a huge effect on the average estimate is what we look at. So you really have to understand these oil companies before you invest in them.
And it's very important to understand the numbers. That's why robo-advising doesn't work, because you can't just go by the numbers sometimes. You have to understand what those numbers are. So very important to understand what you're doing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of the Smart Investing Daily Briefing. If you'd like to find out how to get a free copy of one of the best investment books written, The Warren Buffett Way,
you can give us a call at the office. Our phone number is 858-546-4306, or you can also contact us at our website, smartinvesting2000.com.